Hi guys, so for today's craft, I'll be making a hat for an American Girl doll. So, or pretty much any doll. So, let's get to it. For this craft, you'll need a pair of scissors and any sock. And some other things you might need or want to have is hot glue and pom-poms or yarn, because you can make pom-poms with yarn. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so first off, so here's your sock. I took a new sock. You wanna cut not like right here at where the toe part is, but like around 3 inches roughly down. I think that's 3 inches. So my sock has lines, so it's a bit easier. Like around this third line is where I recommend cutting, even in the fourth line. And I think the third line should be good. So around 3 inches, you want to go this way from toe. So let's cut. And I think if you want like a brim, now I want a brim. If you want a brim, cut from the fourth line, which is 4 inches down, because your brim's going to be an inch. So this is a basic hat. Yeah, that was a lot easy. You're probably than you thought. My doll Cassidy right here. I'm just going to be like fitting the way that's going down so it fits. Okay, so I'll be adding a pom-pom to mine. And there's many ways you can make a pom-pom. You can even make a pom-pom with this sock. You can like scrunch up a piece of fabric and then put it on the top. Oh, I have another hat that I made with this method. I added cat ears. My hat I wear in real life, like beanie that I usually wear, has cat ears. Ears like this. So I got inspired and made one. So I just took 2 pieces of felt, cut them into like ear shapes, and yeah, just sewed them on. Yeah, pretty simple. You can do anything. Get creative with it. Have fun. And there's my pom-pom. Now, time to glue it. There we go. And there we have a nice hat. Now what I'm going to be doing with the rest of the sock, well, not the rest, but a lot of it, we're going to make an infinity scarf. So, I guess up until the heel, I'm going to cut that off. There you go, scarf. Instant scarf. So you might want to stretch it a bit. Yeah. Now to try them on. Here's how she looks. The hat looks adorable. Oh, and the scarf's good too. Oh, however, the only defect this has is this shedding. But other than that, this craft is great. Told think you should try it. This hat can also fit probably on a Shopee doll, which means Shopee dolls and Equestria girls have the same head size, so also fit on the equestria girls, I guess. So yeah, now be sure to try it. And yeah, that's the end of this video. Bye. Be sure to subscribe because throughout December I'll be posting. Well, at least I'll try to be posting. Bye guys.